The health benefits of garlic. From culinary uses to traditional remedies, garlic, scientifically known as Allium sativum, is a beloved ingredient in kitchens around the world. Rich in nutrients and bioactive compounds, garlic offers numerous health benefits, including an intriguing traditional remedy. Placing garlic under your pillow to improve sleep. Cardiovascular health. Garlic is highly beneficial for heart health. It has been shown to lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and improve overall cardiovascular function. The sulfur compounds in garlic, particularly allicin, help relax blood vessels and improve blood flow. Regular garlic consumption can lower the risk of heart disease by preventing the formation of clots and reducing inflammation. Anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Garlic is rich in antioxidants, which help protect the body from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. These antioxidants, such as selenium and flavonoids, help reduce inflammation and lower the risk of chronic diseases. Cancer prevention. Emerging research suggests that garlic may play a role in cancer prevention. The bioactive compounds in garlic, including diallyl sulfide and N-acetylcysteine, have been shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells and reduce tumor formation. Improved bone health. Garlic may also benefit bone health. Animal studies have shown that garlic can minimize bone loss by increasing estrogen levels in females, which is particularly important for postmenopausal women. Detoxification. Garlic supports the body's natural detoxification processes. It enhances the activity of liver enzymes responsible for detoxifying the blood and removing toxins. Traditional remedy. Garlic under the pillow. In addition to its numerous health benefits when consumed, garlic has been used in traditional remedies, including placing it under pillows to improve sleep. This practice is rooted in folklore and ancient traditions. It is believed that the sulfur compounds in garlic emit a calming aroma that helps relax the mind and body, promoting better sleep. How to use garlic for better sleep. To try this remedy, simply place a clove of fresh, peeled garlic under your pillow before going to bed. The smell may be strong at first, but many people find that it becomes less noticeable over time. If the odor is too intense, you can also place the garlic in a small sachet or under the pillowcase to minimize direct contact. Garlic is a versatile superfood with a wide range of health benefits. From boosting the immune system to promoting cardiovascular health, its antibacterial, antiviral, and anti-inflammatory properties make it a powerful natural remedy. Additionally, the traditional practice of placing garlic under your pillow highlights its potential to improve sleep and well-being. Embrace the power of garlic in both your diet and daily life to unlock its full potential for enhancing your health and overall quality of life.